What's good, Luke? What we doing?
Kid?
Giant Sour Patch Kid. What? How did you make that, buddy?
Giant warhead?
Put me on. I need to know. A giant warhead. This man made a giant warhead. How? How? Ooh, the sour. He makes it sound so satisfying. The giant snake. That looks so good. Oh my God, and the way he's biting it.
Nerd?
I love it. Now, how did you make the nerd clusters? I love it.
No reaction.
This man's a beast.